Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing the battery and stabilizing the e-bike so parts don't move. Once done, open the throttle housing and expose the spring and plunger. You must observe orientation and cable stops. You're looking for a broken coil, stretched length beyond 1/2 inch, or a dislodged end that prevents return. Make sure to photograph or mark positions. This preserves geometry for reassembly. Now gather the replacement spring of identical wire gauge and length, small pliers, and thread locker. You install the new spring into the housing exactly as the original sat, because orientation controls preload and return force. Once seated, press the plunger repeatedly. It should return smoothly without binding. If it sticks, add a 0.5 mm shim or polish the bore lightly. Feed the cable end into its notch, set initial tension with the barrel adjuster, and turn the set screw until there's minimal slack but throttle returns fully. Tighten fasteners and apply a small drop of thread locker to the housing screws. You reconnect the battery and test the throttle gently at low speed to confirm smooth return and predictable output. Observe idle voltage for spikes. If the throttle returns slowly or sticks, immediately stop. This indicates misalignment, wrong spring rate, or a dirty bore. Make sure cable routing isn't kinked and that the plunger sits centered. If problems persist, swap to the exact OEM spring or replace the plunger and cable end. One key troubleshooting tip: compare spring-free length and wire diameter to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.